Are your cherished memories stuck in blurry, low-resolution photos? Turning those pixelated images into stunning, upscale to 32K high-definition masterpieces, all with the power of AI. In this video, we'll reveal the best AI image upscaler of 2025 and show you how to bring your old photos back to life like never before. Ready to upscale your creativity? Let's dive in. All right, start by clicking the link provided in the description below. This will take you to aiarty.com. Once you're there, navigate to the Image Enhancer page. On this page, you'll see options to download the AI Arty Image Enhancer for both PC and Mac. Just click the download button, and a pop-up will appear to start the download process. It's that simple. The software introduces 3 exciting new models that take your image enhancement to the next level. The first is the GAN V3 model, which offers incredibly detailed and precise enhancements for your images. Next is the AIGC Smooth V3 model, designed to deliver flawless, smooth results for a professional finish. Finally, there's the Face Restoration model, which specializes in restoring faces with stunning accuracy, breathing new life into portraits and images. The AI Arty Image Enhancer is built to work seamlessly with a wide range of systems. Whether you're using a CPU, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU, the software ensures optimal performance for all configurations. This makes it a versatile tool for anyone, no matter their hardware setup. Keep in mind that this software doesn't just upscale images to an impressive 32K resolution. It also offers a wide range of other powerful features. The AI Arty software is designed to handle multiple processes automatically, including deblurring, denoising, upscaling, and enhancing details. The deblur feature transforms blurry, grainy, or pixelated images into clear and lifelike visuals with the power of AI. Whether it's a photo or an AI-generated image, this tool restores sharpness and detail, bringing your visuals to life with stunning clarity and precision. The denoise feature leverages advanced deep learning algorithms to remove noise from photos effectively. It reduces various types of noise while reconstructing and enhancing the image. This process improves clarity, sharpness, and overall visual quality, ensuring your photos look clean and professional. The Upscale feature allows you to enlarge images to stunning 4K, 8K, or even 32K resolution without compromising quality. Using advanced AI technology, it can scale your images by 2x, 4x, or 8x, ensuring every detail remains sharp and vibrant, making it ideal for both AI-generated visuals and traditional photos. More details, not just preserving but enhancing. This advanced AI model is designed to preserve and generate intricate details like skin, hair, textures, and fine lines. It's especially effective at improving lower quality images, delivering exceptional enhancements with stunning results. The store, bring faces to life with unmatched clarity. The AI Arty Face Restoration feature revitalizes faces, enhancing them with exceptional clarity and preserving lifelike details effortlessly for stunningly realistic results. Enhance your photos like never before with AI Arty's advanced features. For group shots, it clarifies faces, adds stunning detail to eyes, skin, and hair, and fixes blurry or out-of-focus images. Dimly lit photos are effortlessly restored with noise reduction, red-eye correction, and brightness adjustments for sharper, vibrant results. Refine your selfies and portraits by removing blemishes, smoothing acne, and even whitening teeth for a flawless finish. Bring vintage memories back to life by sharpening faded faces and enhancing details in classic 1950s photos. Lastly, correct and refine distorted AI-generated faces, ensuring clear and accurate features every time. With the batch process feature, you can enhance up to 100 images in just 2 minutes. It's fast, efficient, and requires only 1 click, with no complex settings to worry about. Once you open the software, you'll see a user-friendly screen like this. Simply click the plus button, add your photo, and it's imported instantly. It's that easy. You can also drag and drop your images for an even quicker workflow. I just want to point out that I'm already working with an image here. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the process from the very beginning. But before we dive in, let me quickly show you something. At the top of the screen, you'll notice it says 300 by 300. This is the resolution of the original image I generated using PicLumen. Now, look to the right side of the top. It shows 327, 23 by 21, 721. You'll also find this information under the export settings, so you'll always know the output resolution you're getting. This example gives you a glimpse of what this software can achieve, Massive upscaling while maintaining incredible detail. If I zoom in really close here, you'll notice something incredible. By holding down the mouse button, I can easily move the image around to examine the details up close. When you zoom in tight, really tight, you can immediately see the difference. On the left side, the image is blurry, lacks definition, and is missing sharpness. But on the right side, the transformation is remarkable. You can almost see the tiniest creases in the lips and even the pores. It's truly amazing how much detail this software can restore and enhance. The interface of this software is simple and straightforward, making it easy to navigate. At the top, it even displays the hardware your system is using for the program. If you have GPU acceleration, the software runs much faster, but it can still function effectively with just your CPU. The software offers several AI models to suit different types of images. One standout is the More Detail GAN version 3 model, which excels at generating finer details, adding clarity, sharpness, and removing blurs and noise. It's especially effective for enhancing skin, hair, and overall perceptual quality. Personally, this is my favorite model because it delivers the best results. For AI-generated images, the AIGC Smooth V3 model is specifically optimized. It provides improved support for AI-generated visuals, offering enhanced clarity, smoother textures, and better overall quality, making it a perfect choice for refining such images. For both AI-generated images and photography, there's the Smooth Diff version 2 model. This model excels at restoring images by enhancing fidelity and clarity, smoothing textures, removing blur and noise, and eliminating flaws for a polished and professional look. For photo restoration, the Real Photo version 3 model is specifically designed to bring life back to your images. It offers improved fidelity, enhanced clarity, and effectively de-blurs, de-noises, and restores photos to high quality, making it perfect for preserving precious memories. For both AI-generated images and photography, there's the Smooth Diff version 2 model. This model excels at restoring images by enhancing fidelity and clarity, smoothing textures, removing blur and noise, and eliminating flaws for a polished and professional look. Now let's take a look at some examples to see these models in action. Now let me show you how to start from scratch without an image. On a blank page, you can see one of my previously upscaled images as an example. Before uploading your own image, I recommend adjusting any settings you prefer. The software automatically detects your hardware and determines the best option for optimal performance. In my case, it's using the CPU, but I also have a decent built-in graphics card. If you have a faster GPU, the software will utilize that to speed up the process. However, if you don't have a dedicated graphics card, it will rely on your CPU. Just keep this in mind as you proceed. Additionally, under the AI model options, you'll find several choices to work with. For this video, we're going to use the More Detail GAN version 3 or version 2, as these provide excellent results for upscaling and enhancing detail. However, there are other models available that you can explore. While they may not offer the same upscaling capabilities, they can give your image a unique look. For instance, if you're after something smoother, sharper, or with a slightly different aesthetic, experimenting with these models might help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Finally, let's move to the most important step, upscaling. I've set the upscale option to X8, which means the resolution will be increased 8 times. This isn't the same as 8K, it's multiplying the original resolution by 8. For this process, I'm using 2-pass processing for better results and sticking with the More Detailed GAN V2 model. If you want to add text to your image, you can, but in this case, I'm leaving it as is to keep the image clean. To start, simply upload your image and the software will automatically begin processing, or you can click Start. Once the process is complete, you can export the upscaled image with a single click using the Export button. If you've upscaled multiple images, use the Batch Export option to export all of them at once. When the export is finished, the software will automatically open the target output folder where your processed images are saved. It's fast, easy, and efficient. Now, I've uploaded one of my old images, which was in a very blurred and dull condition. For this video, feel free to use any image you like. And you can see here the image has already been loaded on the left side. At the top left, you'll notice the resolution is 540 by 405, which is exactly what I started with. On the right side, after processing, the resolution has been transformed to an incredible 32723 by 21721. This demonstrates the power and capability of the software to upscale and enhance your images seamlessly. Now, if you want to check the resolution and dive into the finer details, you can zoom in to take a closer look. Just look at this. It almost resembles a high-quality painting when you zoom in, with incredible levels of detail. Here's what I'm going to do next. This tool makes it easy to compare the left, original, and right, enhanced sides. If you're ever unsure, you can quickly switch between these two options using the controls at the top. Once you're satisfied with the results, you can export the image with a single click using the Export button. For multiple images, simply use the Batch Export feature, and all your processed images will be saved directly to your device in one go. It's that simple and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others who could benefit from the user-friendly AI Arty Upscaler software. Relevant links, including AI Arty Upscaler, are provided in the description below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your feedback in the comments. My analysis of Learnify AI revealed that 86.7% of viewers haven't subscribed yet. If you found this video valuable, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to stay updated. Your support helps our channel grow and motivates us to create more informative and engaging content for you. If you're curious about Best AI Humanizer in 2025, bypass AI detectors with Pass Me AI, even Turnitin, click on the video on the left. If you're ready to explore how I made Create AI videos like a Pro AI Video Editing Tutorial 2025, newest click on the video on the right. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.